Let's see few new things about Python. One is walrus operator and second is something about positional arguments. Walrus operator is another name for assignment expressions. According to the official documentation, it is a way to assign two variables within an expression. The assignment expressions allow a value to be assigned to a variable in the context of expression rather than as a standalone statement. Some people say that it looks like eyes and tusk of a walrus, so it is called as walrus operator. Let's try something. I'm creating a list over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I want length of a list. So I'm writing len L, and if a is greater than 0, print this is non-empty list. So what it does is it just takes length of a list and writes the statement that this is non-empty. Okay, so same thing I'm trying to write in another way. So this is my same statements, only the thing is I'm taking this out. This entire statement has gone and I'll try to write it here itself. So A, using walrus operator, I'm trying to make assignments inside expressions. So A, length of L, and entire thing I'm checking. So now it becomes if a greater than 0, this is non-empty list. It's the same statement, but one statement has reduced in this case. So let's try it. So I get the same output. So this is the use of walrus operator. You can assign any value at the time when you are actually checking the value. Let's try some string formatting. So I'm taking a list over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm trying to print it. So for I in L, print, okay, this is value, and I want to print value of I. So here I am writing plus string concat. Because my I is integer, I have to convert it to a string. So this is the value. I can have the same function to print the same value in a different way. So I am using a formatting over here. So I don't require all this. I have to just mention F here for formatting. So F, and here into curly braces I have to give variable. So I am printing I over here. I get the same values. So it is used for formatting strings. Let's go back to the functions and try out something new. So I am writing a function first, f of a, b, c and d. Simple function, just printing summation of all this. So a plus b plus c plus d. So this becomes my function. I am trying to call it f of 1, 2, 3, 4. It gives me value 10. So let's make some changes in this and try out. Instead of giving this, I can also give a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 3 and d equal to 4 and try to run it. So I can give values depending on key. If I give values depending on key, it can be b equal to 1, a equal to 2. This is allowed. Or I can also give default value. So I am giving d equal to 0 here. This is also allowed. So because there is a default value, I can skip this part also. So I am giving only 3 arguments. It requires 4, but fourth one is default. So this is allowed, it takes it. Now I have 2 ways of passing arguments. One is by positional value. If I don't give a equal to b equal to c equal to something like that. And second is by keyword, like a equal to 0 to b equal to something like that. Okay, in Python I can restrict this behavior. For example, here I am giving after b a slash. So let's try to run it first. He gives me error, says that if got some positional only arguments, that is all the arguments before slash, that is a and b, should be strictly positional. Okay, let's try it. So I'm leaving out this. And try to run it. I get the value 6. Why? Because 1 and 2 are now completely positional, whereas C comes after slash. So for C it is allowed. Now I am removing for C also and try to run it. It still works because there is no condition for C. I am trying to add something new here, a star, and let's try to run it. Now I get an error. F takes 2 positional arguments but 3 are given. That means anything after star should be keyword based. So I'm making C equal to 3 and running it. Now understand one thing. Slash says anything before that should be strictly positional, whereas star says it should be keyword based. So can I remove this? Yes, but then I have to pass on value. 4. Positional argument follows keyword argument. So let's give keyword argument over here. So D equal to 4. So this is how the function behaves. By using these two, star and slash, I can restrict the behavior of a function in terms of positional argument or keyword argument.